My lovely children, I'm going to tell you a wonderful story. Listen carefully. Once upon a time in a jungle, there was a nest of birds and ants on a tree. There was a very good relationship between the birds and the ants. One day, a cruel hunter came. He started to set a trap for the birds. At the same time, the ants noticed him setting the trap for the birds. They realized that the hunter was a very big danger to their friend. So, in order to save their friend, they decided to chase the hunter by biting all over his body. Then they jumped from their nest right over the hunter's face and scattered all over his body. They bit him so much that the hunter had to flee away from that place due to excessive pain. The ants saved the bird's life. The next day, the hunter came to throw the nest of ants to take revenge. The hunter threw the nest of ants in river. Soon the ants were going to drown in river. They were in great trouble. They cried, "Help! Help!" The bird heard the ants' voice and saw them drowning. They were shocked to see their friends in such a situation. Then they suddenly flew to the river and took out the nest by catching with their beak. The bird saved ants' life. The ants and birds then thanked each other. Both the ants and birds shifted to a different tree where they started to live far away from the hunter, safe and sound, as well as happily forever. The moral of this story is that helping each other in time of need can even save life. We should also be helpful and kindful just like the birds and the ants. Now let's go to the bird gathering.